I was leaving my doctor's office, and I was sitting at the end of their driveway at the stop sign, waiting for traffic to go by. And before I got to take my foot off the brake, I got slammed into. I was more worried about my car than myself. But after a while, I realized my back side was hurting. I was taken to the hospital. I had broken ribs, really bad concussion, and my shoulder started giving me pain, which caused me to have shoulder surgery. I've driven by this office quite a few times, along with a bunch of other attorneys' offices, but this one always stuck out. And I know it was Christian-based, and that was at the top of my list. I couldn't complain. It was much more than I expected. The communication with everybody, just the constant follow-up, everything was absolutely phenomenal. I wouldn't change anything. I really wouldn't. It was the best experience I've had with Brooks Law Firm. I already have to a number of people at my church, yes. It's just, I highly recommend Brooks Law Firm, just because of the communication, being on top of things, everything. I knew everything was being taken care of.